It's a fantastic day. It's really lovely to see you all here. I hope you're looking forward to what we think is going to be 3 days of tremendous fun, great interest, stimulating debate, and interesting interactions with colleagues from around the world. I'd like to thank the Deputy Minister for their really focused and appropriate address he gave us. And in a way, the issues that face Wales are no different from the issues that are facing almost all countries of the world. And if we're honest, most health systems in the developed world are based on a 20th century, possibly even 19th century model of delivering care, and are struggling to address the challenges that we all know face health systems, aging populations and chronic disease and so forth. And it seems to me, and I suspect to every one of you here today, that digital is the way in which we can transform these health systems and bring them into line with the expectations of the patients and the public at large. And this event today is really just to try and nudge that along a little bit. It is the first, as Deputy Minister mentioned, the first of a series of events that we wish to hold in Cardiff, in Wales, to try and stimulate some discussion around how to move the agenda forward. And it's already an international event. We have 16 different countries represented in the room today, which is, I think, fantastic, and we'll hope to build on that as years go on. I ought to say a few thank yous. That's really all I'm going to do this morning. The really clever talks are going to be given by people other than me. But I ought to point out that today is organised by my group in the College of Medicine at Swansea University, and I need to say a really big thank you to the organising team. They've been working on this for a long time, as you might imagine. And by the FAR Institute, new UK investment by the research communities to try and push forward the reuse of digital healthcare data for the purposes of research. We've got some great speakers for you. I hope you take advantage of their talks. We have colleagues from MIT, Samson, the FAR Institute, Intel, European space agencies, and more. So you're going to have a great lot of fantastic information to absorb. I need to say thank you to our sponsors. There are many, but without which we would probably be in the car park eating a bag of crisps now rather than luxuriating in this room with what will be hopefully a slightly better lunch than a packet of crisps later on. We've also got a really good exhibition hall just down the cold corridor. I really hope you can go and interact with those colleagues there. There's some great products and services on show, and I think you would benefit from understanding a little bit about what capability exists particularly in smaller companies at the moment. And I need to thank our organising committee, who have given up their time and energies to try and conceive and steer this conference format. It's a complicated job, and they're all senior, clever people who've got better things to do with their time, but they gave it willingly, and I hope you'll agree it's been executed to great effect. I'd particularly like to single out our colleagues in the FAR Institute Manchester Hub, who have been really supportive in getting this event today. So I'm going to finish there and let you get on with the real business of today, but only to say welcome to Wales and to the UK if you haven't been before. I hope you enjoy your time here. And to all of you, I hope you have a fantastic conference. And if you don't, tell me, because we'll make next year's even better. Thank you very much.